everyone, it's Joraine here with the Costales team, and I'm here at my open house today, and we don't do open houses like your typical open house, so we've had a lot of people coming in. There's our sign. It says we're open today. If you're in the area, I kind of just want to share with you what we do. And oh, is that a hot dog cart? No. Are those people eating hot dogs in the back? Yes it is. So, a hot dog guy.
You gotta get everything lined up and execute.
My people right here.
We actually know somebody that is a veteran.
We have buntinis. You can see there are a lot missing because there are a lot of people that came and ate them. Look at this beautiful kitchen that was tastefully remodeled.
Kitchen. Yeah.
So we've probably had close to 50 people already, and we've only been here for about an hour. We do a lot of pre-marketing. Hey, cat. We do a lot of pre-marketing before our open houses to really get the word out there. So here's the beautiful bathroom. Here's the master. Yeah, so we have bacon wrapped hot dogs, we have red velvet buntinis. Hey Lionel. We have sodas, we have bubbles for the kids. Yes, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous house. It's gonna sell quickly. We already have a few offers in hand that we might be reviewing, and maybe it'll be sold. But we're here until 4 o'clock today. If you guys aren't doing anything, 1037 Sunnyside Drive, join us. We have bacon wrapped hot dogs, red velvet buntinis, we got sodas, bubbles for the kids. We're doing big because that's how we do things.
Yeah, we're actually the conforming limits going on.
Oh wow!
Have you heard about that one? I have not. Yeah, we're at 636 right now. Okay.
Wish you guys could smell these hot dogs. They smell delicious. Bye. We're here till 4. If you want to join us. Yep, so this is my squad for today. Have someone greeting them at the door, someone greeting them inside. You can come and get a hot dog. Come and get a hot dog. Hi Stephanie, we're here at my open house. Do you want a bacon wrapped hot dog or a red velvet buntini? Because that's what we're serving today. That's my squad for today. Okay guys, talk to you later. Come by, please come by. There's a lot of people here though, I'm glad. So that means we're doing a good job. Bye.